Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of keto-friendly workouts. If you're on a keto diet, these exercises can help you maximize your results. First up, we have strength training. Lifting weights is great for building muscle mass and boosting metabolism. It's perfect for the keto diet as it helps your body burn more calories, even at rest. Next, we have high-intensity interval training, HIIT. These are short, intense bursts of exercise followed by short recovery periods. HIIT workouts can help you burn fat quickly and are a great match for the energy boost provided by the keto diet. Then, there's yoga. While it might not burn as many calories as other workouts, yoga is excellent for flexibility, strength, and stress reduction. Plus, it's a low-impact workout that's easy on your joints. Lastly, don't forget about cardio. Whether it's running, cycling, or swimming, cardio workouts are great for heart health and burning calories. Just remember to pace yourself and listen to your body. Remember, the best workout is the one you enjoy and can stick with. So try different workouts and see what you like best. And always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new workout regimen. That's it for today's video on keto-friendly workouts. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Stay strong and keto on.